Hi! Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about unit conversion, specifically from square yards to square feet. The quick answer in this case is going to be 46.8 square feet. However, I'll go through two different explanations. One will be the quick and one will be the in-depth. So for the quick one, we have 5.2 yards squared. And we can just put that as one. And then with unit conversion, we want the same units to be able to cancel out. So we'll do 1 yard on the bottom over, 3 feet over 1 yard. And this would be if we were just doing yard conversions. But since it's yard squared, we want to do that twice. So 3 feet over 1 yard. Wait, I don't know, I added feet twice. And then in this case, we get 46.8 because the feet squared, because the yards cancel out for each, and that leaves you with 5.2 times 3 times 3, which will give you 46.8 feet squared. However, for the more in-depth sort of explanation, we know that 1 yard is 3 feet. 1, 2, 3. So this is in feet, and then this is in yards. However, when we have something squared, that is feet times, well, not feet. It's the thing times itself, right? So in this case, a yard squared is going to be like a 2D box, basically. I didn't give myself enough room. Hold on. It's going to be basically, in this case, I'm talking about 1 yard, but since, so it'll be 1 times 1, but in between those, there's 3 feet in each, right? And then if you draw this out, I'm trying my best to do straight lines. If you draw this out, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 feet in 1 yard, square yard, because it's like 3 times 3. If it's cubed, then you have that extra dimension, but right now we're just talking about squared. So in this case, we have 5 yards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know. Like we have 5 yards, 5.2 yards, and so that also means we have 5.2 yards going up because it's squared, which means that it's gonna be like the, it's gonna, basically, you're gonna have to times the 3 feet by that twice instead of just 1, because we're talking about it 2 directions rather than just a like line. Hopefully that makes sense. I probably could have been more concise and direct, but basically the reason why we times it by itself, the 3 feet twice, is because it's not just one number line, it's got 2 because it's squared. Hopefully that makes sense. Yeah. Let me know if you have any more questions and I will answer them as quick as possible. Thanks.